Launched in 2026, the Tesla Model 2 arrived breaking the mold with a detail that seems small at first glance, but completely changes the experience of using a compact electric car: the retractable rear system. And we're not just talking about seats that recline or a trunk that grows a little. We're talking about a silent revolution hidden beneath the clean design of the rear that doubles the cargo capacity in less than 10 seconds, effortlessly, silently, and with an elegance that makes any SUV seem like a thing of the past. It's the kind of innovation no one expected, but everyone will want. The kind of thing that, when you see it working for the first time, makes you wonder why no other car thought of it before. The secret lies in the details. The trunk, which originally offers about 15 cubic feet, can expand to up to 30 with a simple command via the app or an accessible mechanical lever. It's not just a lid that opens wider or a false floor. It's intelligent panels that slide on embedded rails with millimeter tolerance, transforming the compartment floor into a true cargo station. And the most ingenious thing is that, despite doubling in size, everything remains stable, firm, and silent, without that improvised feeling seen in retractable systems in other cars. It seems like magic done with precision engineering. And honestly, it's a spectacle in itself. But what's most impressive isn't just the extra size, but how it can be used. The system includes modular dividers with a non-slip surface that fit together like Lego pieces, allowing you to organize everything from grocery bags to tools, sports equipment, or larger purchases. You can assemble a closet on wheels or a compact workshop, depending on your lifestyle. These compartments are secured with reinforced latches and support up to 50 pounds each, without moving even on sharp turns. A real blessing for those who are tired of hearing objects rolling around in the back. The material used in this system is another point that shows Tesla's care. Lightweight, high-strength aluminum. This ensures that the structure is sturdy enough for heavy use, but without adding weight to the car or affecting battery range. In fact, this is one of the smartest moves here. The entire system works mechanically, without electric motors or energy consumption, preserving every kilometer of range. That's Tesla being Tesla, thinking about every detail with a focus on the real user experience. In everyday life, this feature makes an incredible difference. A retired couple in California, for example, can stop paying delivery fees or making multiple trips to the supermarket because they can now carry everything at once. Meanwhile, a micro-entrepreneur in New York who uses their car as a work tool now has an adaptable space for transporting goods, equipment, or even fragile items without fear of damage. It's as if the Model 2 understands that each person has a different routine and decides to adapt to all of them. No fuss, no complication. There's also an advantage that many don't immediately consider: mechanical durability. Behind this system are countless engineering tests, with parts designed to withstand repetitive use without jamming, loosening, or creaking. The hinges have been precisely adjusted to less than 0.02 inches, ensuring smooth operation even after years of use. And it's not just marketing talk. Tesla has already tested this system in hundreds of vehicles before approving it for production. It's the kind of technology that goes unnoticed by those who only look at design, but makes all the difference for those who truly experience the car. Another thing that stands out is how all of this solves real problems that compact cars have always had. Until now, those who needed more space ended up having to rent vans, ask friends for help with pickup trucks, or simply give up on taking anything. Now, with the Model 2, you can double the usable volume in seconds and solve the problem right there and then. This cuts the dependence on extra services in half and also helps your wallet in the long run. And between us, this practicality is addictive. After you use it once, it's hard to imagine going back to the traditional. If the first feature already seemed like science fiction with the rear system expanding like magic, the second shows that Tesla has gone even further, transforming the car itself into a shareable mini charging station, capable of generating extra income. Yes, in 2026, the Model 2 will arrive with an integrated charging dock that allows the car owner to share electricity with neighbors or co-workers, all with automatic tracking, direct billing, and without needing to install anything at all. A kind of Airbnb for energy, but without the complications. And for those who already understand that an electric car is not just transportation, but also a tool, this is a real treat. The idea seems simple, but the execution is ingeniously complex and efficient. The dock is embedded in the car's structure with precision sensors that measure consumption in real time, with 99% accuracy. Anyone interested in using the energy connects via QR code or the Tesla network, and that's it. Billing is done based on local rates, without spreadsheets, without hassle, and with encrypted security. It's the kind of innovation that transforms any Model 2 sitting idle in the garage into a value-generating asset, literally making money while not in use. The system is so lightweight that it consumes less than 0.1% of the battery to operate, meaning the vehicle's range is not affected at all. And even with this incredible efficiency, the dock still has bidirectional capability, allowing the car to send energy back to the electrical grid during peak hours. In other words, it not only supplies other vehicles, but also helps alleviate pressure on the local energy system. In times of expensive energy and overloaded grids, this is not only useful, it's strategic. Now, imagine a condominium in Florida, where residents own electric cars, but few have charging points at home. A single Model 2 with this dock could become a shared energy hub, fostering community ties and reducing the average cost of electricity for everyone. And this scenario is not speculation. Real calculations show that by sharing 20 kiloliters per day, it's possible to generate up to use $300 per year in credits. It's as if the car were paying part of the electricity bill, without any effort. And the most interesting thing, this feature doesn't require any complex installation or special infrastructure. It works with standard outlets, is compatible with home solar systems, and can be managed directly through the Tesla app. For small business owners, for example, this can become a competitive advantage. Imagine offering charging to customers in front of your store or office, generating traffic, loyalty, and revenue. It's technology designed for practicality, not just futuristic purposes. Furthermore, there is impressive energy recovery potential. Studies indicate that up to 12% of the charging capacity of EVs today is wasted, either due to underutilization or poor management. The Model 2 solves this by monetizing battery downtime, turning loss into gain. In dense areas like New York, where every inch and every penny counts, this solution is a perfect fit. And because it's factory integrated, the system avoids the failures and inaccuracies common in external adapters or improvised hacks. Another point worth highlighting is security. The dock is limited to $7 kiloliters to prevent overloads, and all transactions are authenticated by the Tesla network. This eliminates the risk of power outages or voltage spikes that could compromise both the vehicle and the property. And if the idea of lending energy seems risky, the system ensures that everything is traceable, documented, and reversible. No surprises on the bill or misuse. Some people think a compact car isn't suitable for outdoor adventures. But then, the Model 2 comes along and elegantly refutes that idea with a feature no one expected to find in an affordable electric car: a retractable, water-resistant tray integrated into the body and ready for anything, literally. Whether it's for holding tools, organizing work materials, preparing a snack on the road, or improvising a counter at an event, this tray becomes a functional extension of the car. And best of all, no need to carry accessories, no makeshift solutions, no fear of rain. It's discreetly camouflaged in the rear bumper and unfolds as if it were a natural part of the vehicle. With just 2 manual pull handles, the system unfolds into a flat 4 by 2 foot surface, supported by hydraulic hinges and reinforced with high-strength composite materials. There are no electrical parts that can fail, and no tools are required. This simplicity is precisely what makes the feature so reliable. It always works, rain or shine. But what's truly impressive are the technical details behind the structure. The tray is IP65 certified, meaning it resists dust and water jets, even withstanding heavy rain or hose cleaning. It can also withstand heat up to 120 degrees without deforming. For those living in regions like Texas or California, where the weather is unpredictable and the sun is harsh, this is more than a luxury. It's a necessity. Furthermore, the structure supports up to 150 pounds, enough to carry heavy boxes, professional equipment, or camping gear without risk of breakage. Tesla even considered the safety of the items placed there. The edge of the tray has side guards that prevent tools or containers from slipping. Even on inclined terrain or with the car slightly moving, everything stays in place. And when not in use, the system retracts in 5 seconds and fits perfectly into the car body, without compromising the car's aerodynamics. This avoids the improvised look of external accessories that we see in other vehicles, in addition to preserving energy efficiency. For many people, this tray will replace the need for a portable counter or a side table at outdoor events, a barbecue in the park, an impromptu picnic, or even a mobile market. The possibilities are almost endless. You can even imagine a self-employed electrician using their car as a work base in the middle of the street, without having to open the entire back or carry extra equipment. It's the kind of thing that, once it becomes routine, becomes indispensable. Another benefit is the indirect cost it eliminates. According to Tesla's own estimates, users can save up to $200 per year by not needing to buy external accessories such as folding tables, workbenches, or improvised equipment for the trunk. Not to mention the time saved. Assembling and disassembling the tray reduces setup time by up to 40% for external activities. And time, in the end, is money, especially for those who work on the road or need to be always ready. So far, it's clear that the Tesla Model 2 was designed with a type of practical intelligence that many modern cars lack. But when it comes to maintenance, things usually get complicated. High costs, trips to the mechanic, expensive parts, confusing diagnoses. Tesla decided to tackle this head-on and, as early as 2026, introduced a feature that will leave many traditional mechanics scratching their heads: the ultra-basic maintenance mode with augmented reality. It's as if the car itself takes your hand and says, "Relax, I'll show you how to fix this in 20 minutes." And it really does. It all starts with the Tesla app, which scans all the car's components in real time using internal sensors with a 500 Hz scan rate. This means that any fault, no matter how small, is detected before it even becomes a problem. The system analyzes the suspension, brakes, connectors, battery, and other modules, and presents a clear, direct report without technical jargon. But what really changes the game is what comes next. It activates a tutorial mode with augmented reality overlay that guides you step by step through what needs to be done. Imagine pointing your smartphone or smart glasses at the brake system and seeing visual instructions floating on the screen, indicating exactly where to touch, what to release, how to remove, and what to replace. No complicated manuals, no hidden parts, no fear of making mistakes. And best of all, the parts are modular, with standardized connectors, eliminating the need for specific tools or fine adjustments. It's all plug and play. Broken suspension arm. Replace it in half an hour, with clear instructions. No waiting weeks for an appointment or spending a fortune on labor. And the impact on your wallet is significant. While repairs on conventional cars often easily exceed $200 per intervention, the Model 2 manages to reduce this cost to less than $50. This is because the owner can perform simple repairs themselves. Or any street mechanic with basic training can follow the app's instructions and complete the service accurately. Furthermore, the system sends pre-calibration commands via software, ensuring everything works perfectly after the replacement. A real relief for those who depend on their car every day. This approach also extends the lifespan of components. Because the car detects early wear and provides advance warning, it's possible to replace a part before it affects the entire system. And those who think this is just a fad are mistaken. Preventing this type of wear can reduce the vehicle's overall stress by up to 20%, meaning less stress on materials, fewer replacements over the years, and more time with the car running perfectly. In cities like New York or Houston, where the pace is intense and nobody has time to stand still, this is invaluable. Another detail that makes all the difference is the standard torque used in the connections. Tesla designed the system with precise force specifications below 50 Newton meters, which makes installation safe even for those without experience. No forcing screws or risking damage to sensitive parts. It's almost like assembling the parts of a tech toy. It fits, it locks, it's ready. This removes the fear of working on the car and empowers the owner with real autonomy, something the automotive market has avoided for decades. For those who thought compact cars meant limited space, the Model 2 offers an argument that dismantles this idea with style and engineering. The system for converting the rear seats into a rigid cargo platform. And we're not just talking about a reclining seat, but a robust, articulated, and functional mechanism that transforms the back of the car into a true urban van, with rails, locks, and structural panels that can withstand up to 200 pounds of distributed weight. All this in just 15 seconds. It's the kind of thing you didn't even know you needed. But after seeing it working, you think, how come nobody did this before? The way it works is almost mesmerizing. You pull a lever, and the rear seats rise on 2 axes. Immediately afterwards, sliding panels extend along rails embedded in the floor, snapping into place with a crisp, secure click. There are no loose parts, no makeshift adaptations. It's a precision-engineered system, built to support loads, not just to look good in commercials. And when it comes to carrying large items, a bicycle, crates of produce, work equipment, this functionality becomes a real lifesaver. The most brilliant thing is that all of this was designed without compromising comfort. The front seats remain perfectly functional, with enough space for 2 adults to travel long distances in total comfort. In other words, you can transform half the car into a cargo area and still keep the other half of the driving experience intact. For small families, freelancers, or couples who enjoy road trips, this represents unprecedented freedom. You no longer have to choose between comfort and practicality. And what about safety? Tesla didn't overlook that. The locks are mechanical, activated by simple levers, without relying on electrical power. This ensures that even with the car turned off or in adverse conditions, the system works perfectly. Furthermore, built-in sensors check if the panels are correctly positioned before allowing the car to enter driving mode, preventing risks from incorrect assembly. It's these small details that transform a good idea into something truly reliable. Now consider those who live in cities like New York, where space is a luxury. The Model 2 allows a person to forego renting vans for simple moves, save on storage costs, and handle everything with their own car. This versatility can cut up to 40% of annual expenses on transporting large items,